Good morning, everybody. Beautiful, beautiful Tuesday morning on the Thanksgiving week. The featured stock pick today is TKR. TKR had a nice little morning star signal yesterday. We have a little bit of a downtrend, red candle, doji, and then we have a nice gap up here, up over the 50-day simple moving average. TKR, where are you? There we go. I'm long TKR from yesterday at 39.19. Today, breakout buyers would be a buy over yesterday's high, over 39.92. PBO buyers would be buyers buy on an inside day all the way down to the stop. The stop area is 38.90. Looks to me like it's on its way, or certainly is going to try to get to the 200 simple up here as a target. GMCR is also on our stock pick list. GMCR, a couple of days ago, I thought GMCR was headed down. You can see how fast things change. Now it's turned into one of our stock picks here. GMCR on strength, I would look at buying this on an inside day today or any strength above today, looking for that 200-day moving average as our directional target here. Came up with some good volume yesterday. Looking good here. GMCR's nice. RLD was a featured stock pick a few days ago. It's back on our stock pick list. I've been holding it since I bought it when it was a featured stock pick. And on a breakout, maybe this thing will start paying us here. For the most part, from the time it was a featured stock pick, it just moved sideways, but it held above our stop level. So we're looking for a breakout here and then get it on its way to the 200 simple there. Next stock we have for a trade idea today is Body, B-O-D-Y, Body, B-O-D-Y. Body's moved up for our rounded bottom breakout chart pattern here, pulled back, kind of broke it, and now it's coming back up through that pattern. The key areas that we look for. So I would look at buying Body, B-O-D-Y, on any strength above the 50-day simple moving average. That's what I would want. That's what I would want to see it close today. So even if you buy it down below, we want it to close above the 50. Let's see, ATHN pinball setup. ATHN. You can see the downtrend. We did a little gap doji and then reversed with a bullish candle, gapped up yesterday, closing above the 20 simple. This is a nice pinball setup. Pinball setups, we're always looking for the 34 as the first target. This is where you definitely want to protect it. Make sure you have your stop on there. Maybe take partial profits, and then we'll see if we can run all the way to the 200 up here. Now, you know, when I say run, keep in mind that I don't in any way think it's going to do that. I think we're going to see some consolidation, move up, some consolidation, move up, and so on. That's just the way stocks move. So even though we may look at the 34 or the 200 as our targets, getting there, it may take a little bit of a detour before it gets there. AFFX. Whoops, that's not right. Here, do it this way. There we go. AFFX. Another pinball setup and a morning star signal. We're looking for strength over the T line for pinball setups. That's all we're looking for. We're watching the bottom being put in. We just simply need to see strength above the T line, and that starts our little T line run up, and then we use the T line as a stop, looking for that 34, then up to the 50 for targets. ACCO, there's a few people that's already in this. I'm already long this. Let's see. So ACCO, this is a nice little rally up through the 20, the 34, and the 50. It's pulled back. We've got a nice little hammer down here day before yesterday with a gap up, closed above the T line, the 20 and the 34. Looking for targets up around the 780 area, then around the 920, 930 area up here. THC on our stock pick list today. A trending stock up that just seems to pull back and move higher, pull back and move higher, pull back, give us a morning star signal and some follow through. Looks like it tried to break out of the previous swing high. Wouldn't take much more to do that, and we want to be long that one. SYNC coming off the bottom, another pinball type setup. I think it's a little, well, it may qualify. For a pinball setup, we like to see at least 10% between the T line and the 34 EMA. That gives us enough profits. If we're going to go to work, we need to make money. And if there's not enough profits there, there's no sense in doing it. It's kind of like a contractor, and if you want to accept the job, make sure there's room in it for you to make some money. So this looks like a nice chart. It looks like we're going to go to that 34, then the 50 possible breakout. I like the bottom it's put in right here. I like the bottom, the rally, and then day before yesterday, let's make that a little bigger. There we go. Day before yesterday, we put in this big low down here, creating a double bottom, and then yesterday a little bit of a pop to the upside held above the T line. VMED, another trending chart. You can see where it trends up, pulls back, up, pulls back, up, pulls back. Same old story. Coming off the 34 right here, we've rallied up, pulled back, and then doji bullish engulf with follow through over the T line. We're looking to take out these swing highs out up into the 34.50 area and then move higher. SVU, also on our stock pick list. Some of us own this already. SVU down to the 50 with a doji. Had a decent close yesterday. Would have liked it to have been a little bit better, but I like the overall chart. We want to buy this on strength and certainly above the T line here. Again, TKR is our featured stock pick today. Tonight's e-learning, member e-learning. We're going to be, I think it's that time of year, start preparing for the new year, and we're going to start looking at creating a trading plan. So that'll be tonight. And then for the members, I don't know if everyone knows this. I get asked about it all the time, and sometimes it's surprising actually. If you were a member, if you log into the website as a member, go to the blog. When you're logged in, you should be able to go to the blog, and the member side of the blog has stock, the follow-ups on stocks. So for instance, IDIX, one of our featured stock picks a few days ago, there's follow-up on IDIX. Or RLD, there's follow-up on RLD. There's now follow-up because today's the second day for it. DY. DY was our featured stock pick yesterday, and there's a bit of follow-up on it. And it's on the member side of the blog. There's two non-member and member side of the blogs there. So make sure you check that out to see any follow-through. Alrighty, I'm going to check out of here, get ready for the market to open. Speaking of the market, let's look at the SPY real quick. Dynamite chart pattern here. Dynamite chart pattern. I mean, this is just terrific. Powerful signal. Move down, doji, hammer, gap up, held above the 200, held above the T line. I'm looking for something up into the 141 areas where I'm looking the bulls to take us. And then eventually up into the this 50-day simple moving average. And a lot, we have our Thanksgiving week holiday coming up, so we're probably going to see a little consolidation, a little bit of just market being a little light. I don't think that's going to change anything with the trend right now. I think we're trending up, and as we move into December and toward the end of the year, of course, it's all gonna be about how Congress handles the fiscal cliff. But right now, let's play the trend. Let's see what the trend is. Let's follow the trend, trade the trend, and right now the trend is up. Just be mindful of the overhead resistance here. Also, we have a swing low buy signal here where the 2 has crossed up over the T line right there. So, okay, I'm running a little late here. I'm going to get out of here. Good trading, everybody.